Hey, this is Micah Adler from Anyone Can Fundraise. Nice to see you today. You know, when we're trying to sleep in the evening, founders, like people are doing this entrepreneur stuff. It's like you can't sleep. But like at the same time, we get these revelations, like these really important learnings. So that's something that just came to my mind yesterday after I used the agent functionality in ChatGPT. So I wanted to go through that right now really quick. And we're just going to go straight to ChatGPT and this agent functionality. And the thought was this and other AI tools can literally make us more human, create more interaction with other humans, create better places for creativity. And the reason I thought this was I was playing around with this new functionality. And basically, what I said to it was, can you do something for me? And like, I need to go out right now and, do some exercise because I'm scheduled to do exercise for CrossFit. And so I typed in what I wanted it to do. I said, hey, can you create like a presentation for me? And you can see here that you can create a presentation. And then the reality is that when you use this agent functionality, it takes a while because what it does is it will search the web. So I'll give you a really quick example. So it's going to give it, this is a prompt that was created by OpenAI, and it's just testing the agent functionality. And if we look at it, to collect global data for broadband affordability, and it's going to do all this stuff. And then it says, hey, I understand what you're saying, what it's going to cost. And then it actually jumps into its own little environment and it starts doing research. So this whole process, and I'm going to stop it right now, this whole process takes, a good 30 minutes to finish what it needs to finish. So the question is, what do? We would say, hey, okay, agent, can you start the process for me? And then what's going to happen from there is the agent will start the process and continue on with the process while I'm doing whatever I need to do. So if I need to go for a bike ride with my family, I'm going to go for a bike ride with my family. Or I need to do research on, what's ever in, for example, in these tools that actually connect to the agent. You can see HubSpot here, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Gmail, and like over time, those tools are going to get to be more and more. What will happen is we'll ask the agent to do something, and then while it's doing the busy work, then we're going to be out there. If it's a nonprofit, we'll be there to connect with more donors or to connect with our fellow colleagues and move things forward. So this is just like a revelation I had, not a revelation, but like a thought I had. And I was like, it's going to make us more human. So if we do the right things and like I believe that like AI should not replace humans with work and those kind of things. We can be much more productive, save time, be happier. And I think these are all possibilities depending on how we craft our future and how we work with these like large organizations that are deciding what their tools are going to do. But it's clear what direction these tools are going. So just the thought I had at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I wanted to share it with you. And yeah, I believe this is going to be the future. We should make it as bright as possible. Okay, thank you.